Good morning, it's our last day in Mae Wang, Chiang Mai, and you don't have to worry about him. Alright, so all good things come to an end. My friends,
hey!
How do you feel that we're leaving?
Well, that was a great...
It was a great experience here.
It was an amazing experience. But we're sad. We're sad we're leaving. We don't want to go. Even, you know, our host Alexa, she said, you don't have to go. Yeah, but we're going back home. But not home, but you know the thing about this, I don't actually have a vlogging camera, so I'm doing everything on the phone. So you might see us looking at the screen often instead of the camera. Alright, but we're gonna drive back now on motorcycle to the city. We're gonna see some canyons, called the Grand Canyons, here in Chiang Mai. We're gonna check that place out. We are saying our last goodbyes to our elephants. Well, not ours, but bye, baby. Bye, baby. Gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Alright, saying goodbye to our elephants. I'm gonna miss them. This is the one I was with yesterday, so I miss you. I'm gonna miss you. Super dirty to look. He's a sweetheart though. I think her name or his name, I don't know. I can't tell. Santa. So maybe it's a boy. Yeah. Bye. So we were about to leave, but we noticed that there's a flat on the one of the motorcycles that we rented. So we're you know, people are so friendly. They're just helping us to fix it, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll get there anyway. Wait, you think so? Do you think so?
I know that.
It doesn't look like.
Hey, it's good.
I think it's done. Is it fixed? Yes.
Well, the bite is ready. I tipped him, but he wouldn't accept it.
He wouldn't accept it.
He was wishing me all the best.
That's
amazing.
That's just another, yeah, man. And that's just another reason for you to come to Thailand. Yeah. You need to come. You need to come. Yeah, we're gonna pray before we go out. The restrooms are pretty awesome. Because we're students, we've been backpacking, we don't have money. And you know, this hotel we're staying in is pretty cheap. It's $24 a night. Yeah, we're in between 4 of us. We split it and it comes out super good. We have a pool, we have laundry service, have a little bit of everything. So we're just going out looking for something to eat as always. Always hungry. Say that again. Please say that.
Chapati! When you eat a chapati, it's one of the biggest things. Lots of curry chicken, curry mango, curry pigeon peas. Everything is just curry.
But Trinidad has a lot of Indians, right?
We have a lot of Indians.
So that's why you love the food so much.
That's right, I'm partly Indian, you know.
Alright.
Watch it here. Here we have Sam again. He's added mango sticky rice.
Great Merry Christmas. Wonderful Happy New Year. Yes. Temple that took about 20 years to build. It's still in the process of building. Everything is white. So the point of this is that you have to put the coin right in the middle. try to get it. There you go. Let's try it. Nope. Ooh. Casi. Not sure what the meaning of that is in there. I want to get it in the middle, but I'm not sure what it means. Country, but this is pretty interesting. Look at this. You got Captain America. I don't know who this is. RoboCop. Or Cyclops. I don't know who is this. I don't know what it means. This is the guy who designed, painted everything. Good artist. I don't know if he's an architect also. So we're visiting a place right now. We have the long neck tribe.
Wow, my goodness.
Because the ring is heavy, right? Will weight the shoulder.
They will add the ring, and then they will stop to add the rings when they're 44 or 45 years old, because they old and cannot add the rings. It is like that. They position when they sleep, just one position when they sleep.
So this is this is the Karen, which in their language is Karian or something like that. Long neck tribe. The reason why they wear this is because you know, back when they would live in the mountains, the women would stay in the villages, and what was it, tigers? Tigers, right? Usually when they attack, they go at the neck, so they would wear these rings, and they were out of gold. So they wear it today, still, and for them it's part of their culture, and it means to them the woman with the longest neck is the most beautiful. Well, it's their definition of beauty, which is really interesting.
But now it's normal.
Yeah. Yeah. So these people aren't actually from Thailand. They're from Burma or Myanmar. But most of them here are like refugees, so they don't even have a Thai ID or even passport. Just below her knees. So right now we're at the border of Myanmar or Burma. Right, so we're gonna take the boat now. On that side over there, that's Laos. We're gonna take this little tuk-tuk looking boat. All right, we just made it to Laos. This is the only cultural thing I see right here, right now. So we just crossed the river. I'm not sure where's Myanmar around here, but we're in Laos. Welcome to Laos. That's just something I don't understand. Drinking snake. Look at this. Very strong.
Hello.
Yeah, we asked.
I guess so.
Yeah, they do.
It's alcohol.
It's alcohol.
They also eat it.
With a scorpion and a snake together. Look at that. It's a cobra. It's a cobra. You can take a test, a trial. I am not doing that. I am not. You know what's funny is that they actually have this little utensil here to take out the remainings of the snake or the scorpion and actually eat it. So something important that I've learned in this trip is that you need to have a good attitude towards the problems. There's always going to be something unexpected is going to happen in your life. And I really like the attitude of our tour guide right now. You know, it's a rainy day and there's things that we can't see. And so whenever there's some kind of obstacle or something that doesn't seem right, he says, today is a lucky day. Today is a lucky day. That's amazing, you know? We just gotta look around and say, you know what? Yes, there's problems, but still, you can find good in everything.
Really?
Lucky days?
Yes, today is lucky day.
Why is
because
that?
It's rainy.
Alright, good morning. I fell asleep last night. We took the overnight bus. We took the overnight bus and we arrived here to Bangkok, and right now I'm currently going to the airport. I'm going a bit earlier than my friends. Going with my friend here, Tom. Yes. Yeah. Great guy. But yeah, it's time to say goodbye. So that's it. My Thailand trip has ended and it was a great experience. I can't wait to return. Right now I'm going to the Philippines where I'm currently living for an undefined time. I really enjoyed the place. Had a good time with all the different experiences, the people we've met, and the places we've been to, and of course the elephants. I just fell in love with the elephants. So that's it. Hopefully you can join me on the next trip. That would be even better.